Real Estate would like to welcome you to this 33 square ground floor unit in Bains Game Lodge. As you can see, it is nice open plan, ground floor, lots of cupboards for the size of this unit. We're going to try to get a video of the bathroom as well. There you can see toilet, basin, as well as the shower. A sliding door which just optimizes the space. This unit is located in one of the blocks, which also includes prepaid electricity. So this unit does have a prepaid meter, and for the students, making this ideal, a small desk space as well. This 33 square unit is very popular in the complex currently, so do not hesitate to give me a call if you would like to view this property.